Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the poster mockup PSD and your artwork file. This gets everything into one workspace. Next, confirm resolution and color mode because prints need 300 dpi and CMYK later, while web uses RGB. Once done, locate the Smart Object layer, double-click it to edit content non-destructively. This is why mockups preserve layout and effects. Make sure to save the Smart Object after edits so the mockup updates automatically. And keep layers organized with clear names for faster adjustments. You now edit the Smart Object. Place your artwork, hold Shift while scaling to keep proportions, and use Free Transform or Warp to match the poster plane. Then return to the main mockup and use Guides or the Perspective Warp tool to ensure realistic alignment. This is why precise placement matters for believable results. Once aligned, refine by adding clipping masks for clean edges. Adjust blend modes and non-destructive adjustment layers to match color and contrast with the mockup lighting. You finish by checking layer effects, sharpening selectively, and saving a layered master PSD before any rasterization. This preserves editability. For distribution, export a high-res PDF or TIFF for print and a 72 dpi JPEG or PNG for the web. Make sure color conversions are correct. If something looks distorted or misaligned, relink or reopen the Smart Object, undo recent transforms, and disable warped layers to isolate the problem. This single troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.